Movie Achariba talks about the journey of a female 65-year-old Neena Gupta who was excellent in making pickles. That's why Achari, her name was, and by everyone used to call her. But she was kind of neglected by her own children. The son was kind of making use of his mom. He had gone on a vacation with his wife and one son, almost like you can say 7 years old, 6, 7, 8, whatever. And he just told her to come and take care of the dog. And the dog became just like a family member. He was so fond of everyone, and especially that kid, Kushal. And even he used to sleep on the same bed. And she became a caretaker, like a servant. She used to bathe once in a week. She used to give him food. Once what happened, she was having chocolate. She had kept chocolate for Kushal, since he was not there. She gave one bit of it, and she even offered him pickles. He was just like an infant, and he got locked in the balcony. So in the morning, when she went to the balcony, he had dirtied it, and he felt kind of sick, and she wept like anything, as if some family member passed away or something. And she took him to the vet. Vet said that he's an animal. He's an animal. You are not supposed to give him pickle, and you are not supposed to give him chocolate. Then he treated because he was a male, and name was Jenny. Actually, the female dog was killed by he passed away. And since the kid was very fond of that female dog, the parents brought him saying that he's a female. That's why they kept his name as Jenny, but he was a male. And then she took him back from the vet and took so much care. And the son and his wife didn't even care to give her a call. And when they came back also, and they were not very good with her. She was treated like a servant. And then her business flourished because of the neighbors, and especially Kabir Bedi encouraged her to make pickle, and all the kids of the locality, they actually became just like a family member. And they got a video, and they put it viral, and she got an invitation from UK to come and give a speech, and she was elated. And she walked away from her son this house, and when she was leaving, she gave a slap to his son, because he said that 9 months I kept you in my womb, but you didn't understand my pain, and for 9 days I looked after your pet, and he could understand. And then she was invited. She was a Gujarati woman, invited to UK, and her joy knew no bounds. Bottom line, sometimes blood relationships are the one which give you the most hurtful feelings. But if you have a community where you can have someone you can actually they make you feel as your own, then half of your pain gets it's eased. You don't feel that painful. But yes, children are children. Nobody can replace. And in one sentence, she says that mothers are very unconditional as far as love is concerned. That is the only relationship, mother and son, when a mother doesn't want anything in return. I give 4, and although I hate pets, especially dogs, but the movie is kind of emotional, so I'll give 4 stars.